Turkey tail mushrooms. Maybe you've heard of them, maybe you haven't, but they could be something that you'd like to learn more about. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you 3 reasons why turkey tail mushrooms are so powerful, and you might want to consider adding them to your diet. Welcome to True Freedom Permaculture, where I show you all the tips and tricks you need to have a green thumb, even if you weren't born with one. As always, please consult with your trusted medical provider before adding anything to your diet. And also, people do forage turkey tail mushrooms. And I'm not going to tell you not to per se, but if you choose to, really make sure you know what you're doing, as always. And just mushrooms in particular, we know that there is a large margin of error. So please make the best and safest choice for you possible. Right, got that out of the way. The first reason why turkey tail mushrooms are so powerful are that they offer tremendous immune support. They're immunomodulators, and they have something called beta-glucans in them. And there's 2 specific ones that are particular just to turkey tail mushrooms. We know that a lot of different mushrooms have amazing properties, but the 2 specific beta-glucans that are found in turkey tail mushrooms are polysaccharide crestin, which is PSK, and polysaccharide peptide, and that's PSP. So PSK and PSP. And why do we care? Why do we care about beta-glucans? Well, they have been shown to lower the amount of cancerous cells within your body. So that's really powerful. You know, there's a really wonderful TED Talk by the amazing mycologist who I referred to before in my videos, Paul Stamets. Really knows his stuff, and actually he, if you ever question if he practices what he preaches, in this TED Talk he talks about the benefits of turkey tail mushrooms and their anti-cancer properties, and his mother was given a very serious cancer diagnosis, and he used turkey tail mushrooms as part of a regimen to treat her, and in the end of the video she comes out and joins him on stage. I ruined that a little bit for you. I'm going to link it because I think it's a really good talk, but it's a happy ending. So, just something to think about. Now, a second benefit of turkey tail mushrooms, and another reason why they're so amazing, is that not only do they have the ability to lower the amount of cancerous cells in the body, but they can actually simultaneously stimulate your immune system to destroy pathogens. And pathogens are just agents which can cause disease in the body, such as a virus, for example. So this is something that's used in tandem sometimes with chemotherapy patients. They've done it in clinical trials where chemotherapy suppresses everything, including the immune system. So if you're able to supplement it with turkey tail mushrooms, they work together to form this really powerful partnership. And the turkey tail mushrooms will help to support the immune system during chemotherapy treatment. Also, some people have been known to give turkey tail mushroom extract to their pets. So you can find some great supplements online, or I know some people just give their, a human grade supplement to their pets as well as themselves. So again, something to speak with your veterinarian about, but that's a possibility as well. It is also a possibility that turkey tail mushrooms can assist with the treatment of the oral form of the human papillomavirus known as HPV. The third reason why turkey tail mushrooms are so powerful is that they can be a digestive aid. So if you are someone that suffers from something like leaky gut syndrome, for example, turkey tail mushrooms can help you out. They are a form of prebiotics. And prebiotics are simply a food that lives in your intestinal tract that the good bacteria like and they live on. So it helps your microbiome to flourish and thrive. So now you might be eager to give turkey tail mushrooms a try. I think that's great. And turkey tail mushrooms themselves are known to be a little bit chewy, so they're not the best for fresh eating. The most popular ways of consuming turkey tail mushrooms, which they have been doing for a really long time, especially in Asian countries like Japan and China, it's a part of traditional Chinese medicine. They consume it in extract form, which can come either via a liquid or a powder form. So those are really the best ways to consume turkey tail mushrooms. If you are looking for more information on immunomodulating mushrooms, another one that's more commonly found that you could easily find well, I'm gonna say in most supermarkets, probably easily find are shiitake mushrooms. And if you're interested in learning more about those health benefits, then you can click the link coming up on the screen and I will meet you over there. I'll see you all soon.